Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Cloud Deep Dive. In today's video, we will talk about a new feature launched by AWS Bug Bust. Yes, it's game over for bugs. You might have participated in your organization in bug bash events, which normally organizations run before any product launch. AWS Bug Bust takes that bug bash concept to the next level. AWS Bug Bust provides an easy and fun solution to transform bug bashes, foster team building, and bring friendly competition to improve your code quality and application performance. To help you find and get rid of bugs, AWS Bug Bust utilizes ML-powered developer tools, Amazon Code Guru Reviewer, and Amazon Code Guru Profiler, and it automatically scans your code to weed out nasty bugs and gamifies fixing and eliminating them. To start with Bug Bust, you create an event in your console and you nominate an administrator. So out of your team members, anyone can be an administrator who can run this event. And it collaborate with Amazon Code Group Profiler and Reviewer, where you can run your repository analysis to find out what all bugs you have, and then you can release these bugs to these events. So basically, your Code Group Profiler or Reviewer will basically scan your code, and Profiler will find out all your performance issues, and then you can use those analysis to release it into your bug bust event. Then, after you created the event, then you will call your bug busters. That will be your team. So any individual in your team can participate in this event and they can fix the bugs. So once you call those bug busters, after that you can they can fix the bugs and score points. More points they score, higher bug buster will climb in a organizations or global leaderboard, and I'll explain what is global leaderboard and organizations leaderboard. And in the end, the maximum points collector will win the prizes. So like I mentioned, the global leaderboard. So Amazon has started a global leaderboard challenge where they are tracking all the bugs fixed by the bug busters, and maximum fixes or maximum score whosoever bug buster will get, they will get some prize from the Amazon as well. And this is the list of prizes they will be giving with the milestone. Like if you earn 100 points, you will get a t-shirt and so on. So based on whatever points you will reach, you can even get a flight free trip to their reInvent 2021 as well. So let's go to the console and I'll show you how you can create an event, how you can participate in that, how you can invite your team or team members to participate in that event, and how you can score these points. Okay guys, I have logged in into my AWS console, and to find the bug bust, we'll go under Amazon Code Group. Under Code Group, we had review and profiler earlier. Now you can see bug bust as well. So first we have to create an event. After creating an event, we have to import some work item, and those work items are basically the code reviews or the full repository analysis you have performed under your code reviewer for any repository. So suppose you have any release going in and you have performed a full repository analysis, and you find maybe hundreds of bugs in that particular analysis. You can create an event and you can import all those bugs in that particular event, and you can invite your team to fix those bugs, and based on the number of bugs they are fixing, they will get some score and you can give them the prizes. It will be healthy competition and your bugs will also be fixed. So to create an event, first we'll click on create bug bust event. The first page will show you what all points you're gonna get based on some if you're solving a Java best practice, you will get 1 point. If you're doing a security issue related fix, you will get 5 points. If you are enhancing the performance of your program, then you might get 13 points based on how much performance improvement you are doing. Next, it will ask you to create a bug bust player account. I have already created and signed in, that's why it's showing it here. But if you're not, then you will get an option here, sign in. And once you click on that, you will get an option to create a new account, or if you already have, then you can use that as well. One thing you just keep in mind that whatever email address you use to create that account, make sure that is associated with your repository, whatever repository you are using to fix those bugs, because it will link both of them to make sure that you are getting the points. And if you already have an BugBust player account and you want to add a new email address, so you can do that as well. Just go to your account, BugBust player account, and click on your name and accounts, and there you can add more email address if you have multiple repository with the different email addresses. Click on next, then you can give a name. Suppose I'm giving test CDD event. Then you have to provide a description here and start and end time. Start time has to be 15 minutes after, basically from now. If you right now it's 10 p.m., then event has to start after 10:15, and the event can be maximum for the 30 days right now, so it cannot be more than 30 days. So end time has to be within the 13 days of your start time. Then you can define some prices what you want to give, like recommended they're saying 150 $150, but whatever you want. Suppose I want to give $100 to my first place winner, then 50 to second, and 25 to my third place winner. So whatever your team decide, you can put those prices here, and it can be any merchandise as well. It's not only money or gift card, it can be anything. Then here you can review and you can create an event. So I already created an event. I'll walk you through that, how it looked like. So let's cancel it, go to events. So once you create an event, because event is created for the coming or for the future time, 15 minutes from now onwards, you will see that coming soon, and any active event you will see as active, and the closed event which is already completed you will see as closed. In the coming soon one, you will find two tabs here, invite player and import work item. Import work item is basically importing bugs from your repository analysis. So you can click here, and then you can either import bugs from CodeGrid Reviewer or CodeGrid Profiler, or from both. And like I have selected reviewer, then you will click here and you can select the repository analysis you have performed. You can select either one or multiple analysis, and after that you can click on save changes. Another thing is invite player. If you click on that, you will get a link. The link you can send it to your players. By using it, they can access this event and they can start working on fixing the bugs. One thing you have to keep in mind when you're sending these links to them, make sure that they have access to AWS console and they have permissions to bug bust player. So there is a policy already created, managed policy already created by AWS. You can use that to give them the permission. So that policy has all the basic permission which they require for an player, which a player required to fix these bugs and access these repositories. Next, let's go to an active event. So this event I have created few days back, which is active and already associated a repository analysis with it. So you can see that as that event is active, I cannot import any repository to it or any analysis to it, but I can invite players from here. On the dashboard, you will get a basic information that how many bugs are there, how many unclaimed bugs are there, how many claims, how many fixed, what is the time remaining, and you will get the bug trend as well, which shows you day by day on which day how many bugs are claimed, unclaimed, and fixed. So right now nobody claimed these bugs, so every day is showing as blue. Otherwise, if somebody has claimed these bugs on a particular day, then this bar will change accordingly. Next, you will see bugs. So all the bugs you can see here. Right now I have 4, but if you have multiple, then you get page to scroll as well. And if you want, you can search as well. Suppose you want to search a particular bug related to batch or maybe related to S3 or anything security. So you can search here and it will show you those particular bugs. And again, you can filter it out only unclaimed bugs or claimed bugs, etc. Next is leaderboard. Here you will see who all are invited. and here it will show you that uh, who are the top players who are scoring most in this particular event. Next is event detail is same what we had, and next is our scoring rules and scoring. So let's invite, click on the invite player and see what happened when we invite in player. So I will log into my another browser and will paste that link. So on this particular browser, I've already logged into my AWS console as a different player. And once I submit it, if you have not logged in, then it will route you to log into your AWS console. And once you log into that console, then you will be able to come to this point. So right now, once I um, reached or logged into this or open this account, I can see that particular event. I can see the dashboard, I can see the bugs and all this information. And here it's asking me to join the event. So to join it, you have to click on join event, and it will ask you to sign in with your BugBust player account. So once you click on that, it will take you, or it will give you this pop-up where it will ask you to sign in with your BugBust player account. And this is the same player account. If you have not created it, then you can need an account, you can sign up, you can click on that, and you can use your email address and password and create a new account. But just like I mentioned earlier, make sure that you use the email address which is associated with your repository as well. So I already have an account. I'll log in with that, and then I'll show you what happened. Okay, so I logged in with my account, and I just accept and continue and done. So now you can see that I have logged in this event, and I can see the dashboard, I can see the bugs. Here I can um, unclaimed bugs, I can claim them. So suppose I want to claim this particular bug, I can claim it, and so it will be moved under claimed bugs. And then after that, I can see that where this bug is, in which file it is. I can go there and I can fix that particular bug. So once you fix that particular bug, the one thing what you have to do is you have to create a pull request. So once you create a pull request, code crew reviewer will analyze that whether the bug is fixed or not, and if the bug is fixed, then it will move it under fixed bugs. Otherwise, it will remain as unclaimed, or basically claimed. Under the leaderboard, you will see that who all are participating in that and who are the top players. And here you will see the event details and rule scoring. So, and here you can see that trend. The moment I claim one bug, the trend changed. So that's how this whole event works, guys. Basically, you just kind of claim the bug, fix the bug, create the pull request. The moment you create the pull request, it will uh, code reviewer will detect that, because that's how the code reviewer works. That the moment you commit any change and create a pull request, it start reviewing your code and find out whether the particular fix has been um, whether the issue has been fixed or not. And once that review is done, your bug bust will check, continuously keep on checking that and mark it here as is fixed, and it will give you those points as well. So that's all about bug bust, guys. If you have any question, please let me know. Feel free to put a comment, and if you are not subscribed to our channel, so please do so. I'll be coming up with more videos in the future. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.